Top 5 Best USB CNC Controller. Here is the item number 5. New arrival. DDCSV2.1 Standalone Motion Controller. The DDCS is a 3/4-axis motion controller for stepper and servo systems. DDCSV2.1 is updated from DDCSV2.1 on software and hardware. It combines great power with a tiny footprint and is easy to use. The highest output pulse per axis is 500 kHz. This provides high control precision for stepper motors and servo motors. Here is the item number 4. 500 kHz G-code offline CNC controller. Features: American and Imperial units in the system can be converted. Handwheel MPG master control page, file page and configuration page. Extended keyboard can also operate and edit controller. New trial cut function, single line processing. The tool setting function is increased to 4 modes. DDCSV2.1 is 3 or 4-axis motion controller for stepper and servo systems. Here is the item number 3. New arrival. DDCSV2.1 Offline Controller. The control period of each position is only 4 milliseconds, with a high control precision. The highest uniaxial output pulse is 500 kHz and the pulse width can be adjusted. It supports the common stepper motor and servo motor. With emergency stop. High-quality professional chassis. 6 feet extendable high-quality shielded cable cord. Magnetic base holder can place anywhere on the machine steel surface. Here is the item number 2. New panel 2-axis CNC controller. 45 kinds of commonly used graphics library, including the grid graphics, can choose the set piece size and pour size. Supports A code, G code, and fast cam, free nest, IDE, Muntai, PM2000 and other kinds of nesting software. Compact keyboard type design, make more comprehensive manual input file. Graphic proportion, rotation, mirror. Graphics can be arranged in a matrix arrangement, interaction, stacked arrangement. Here is the item number 1. CNC 5-axis offline Mach 3 USB controller. The control system is the newly developed motion controller using high-performance 32-bit CPU and high-performance FPGA, equipped with a 7-inch LCD display, user-friendly window-type human-machine interface, memory with external USB port and built-in TF card, user optional, large storage space, working voltage 12-24 volts ultra-wide input, touch-operated keyboard. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and share this video. Subscribe this channel.